Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And it's so beautiful. And I made some, my family, my husband made some jam, fig jam. I just feel so happy, kind of stressed out because of going back to start my class, and at the same time, um, it's so beautiful here. I want to enjoy this and want to share with you. Just want to show you the gem, and it's on my Etsy shop. Okay. Sunday afternoon, and it's so good. I am so stressed. I am very, very stressed out for going to work, and Monday is a heavy day. And I have been through this for so long time, but still I am just very stressed out. And not to think about it. Let's just look at these beautiful fruits. And blackberry, we will pick up the blackberry, and we will pick up the fig. Oh, look at this passion fruit. And the passion fruit, we got it green, and it turns into red color. Very beautiful. Oh, the courgette is good. We are going to appreciate with our tongue, with our mouth. And let's take a look at the figs. There will be a lot of figs again. Look at the figs. One friend asked how we deal with the birds and the squirrels. Squirrels, yes, the birds. I think you can see there is a glittering. At least you can hear it. Yes, the glittering stripes. So it always glitters, shines, and move around. It's kind of a way to scare away the birds. How effective it is, I do not know. We just have so much. So I think just because we have so many figs, we outgrow the birds. So that's why we have enough production of it. And the squirrel, I think Gugu takes care of it maybe. And this year does not seem have so many squirrel as last year. Anyway, it's a Tom Jerry fighting all the time, and I do not know exactly how we deal with it. Just like that. And I think that's about it, right? Yeah. And the tomato is good. I like this beef steak tomato. The red one is round, the circle one is beef steak. And this, they call it romaine and Roma tomato or Roma tomato. And it's kind of long. It's good for making sauce. And the little ones are good. They are also good. The best, how to enjoy it, the best is taking it out and leave it for a couple of days. One day, and it actually develop its flavor. I feel it's more or less like yogurt making. The fresh just finished from the yogurt. 鸭乌切 from the yogurt making machine is not the best. When you refrigerate it for 6 hours or let it settle for a few hours, it is the best. I think all these things are like this. Bye bye, friends. I love you. Oh, sorry. Let's pray for someone that they are safe, they are healthy, or they recover. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye. So here is the passion fruit. When we got it, it fell from the tree. It's kind of green. Now, a couple of days later, it's red. It's perfect.